Hi everyone, today we are going to do a little Warli art, which is a rural art form from Maharashtra in India. It's really easy to draw and it's really fun for kids. So we thought today we'll make a little tutorial about how to do Warli art. And it's really simple. So all you need is a piece of paper and a pen or a Sharpie or a marker. And let's get started. Are you ready, Shama?
Yes.
Okay, so first to do a Warli art figure, we start with an X. It's great. Then we join the top of the X's together and the bottom. Awesome. Then we draw a couple of neck lines for the neck and a circle for the face. Now we are ready to draw some hands. And some legs. There you are, your first Warli art figure. Now, if you want to make this into a little girl, just put 2 pigtails. And you have a little girl. Now let's draw one more so she can hold hands with someone else. Maybe her mom. Mom is holding hands. And to draw the mom, let's draw a little bun. There you go. So now mom and the little girl are holding hands. Now if you want to make the little girl dance, and Warli art figures are really easy to animate. You can make them sit, stand, dance, do a lot of fun stuff. So let's draw one more little girl and this time make her dance. And she is going to hold her hand up and this hand down, and she's going to stand in like Bharatanatyam style. What else should we make this Warli art person do? Let's flip over. Do you think we can make them bend over? Will that be fun? So we can make them bend over by drawing an X. That's a little bit, so instead of drawing an X, maybe we can try doing a bottom triangle. And a top triangle that's sort of bending over. Like teetering off the top of the, oh, there you go. And then their knees are bending. Draw her head. And maybe they're picking something up from the bottom. There you go. What else can you do with your Warli art figures? Have fun with them and try different things. You can make them do a bunch of things like make them run, make them dance, make them hold hands, even walk. So have fun animating your Warli art figures. And in part 2, we are going to try making this Warli art figure with a pipe cleaner. So come back for part 2. Go?
Yeah.
No.
So since Sammy is settled down on Shama's side of the table, pan to him. we are going to do another part of our fun Warli art exploration. For this, you need some pipe cleaners or chenille sticks as they are called, and a scissor. And this is for older kids who are okay dealing with the pipe cleaner and a scissor. So we are going to make a three-dimensional sculpture like this one of a Warli art figure. So take your drawing and you can trace your pipe cleaner along the drawing. So start with the top. First, make a Z. I guess Sam is very interested in doing Warli art with us too. And you can just fold it over so the Z stays. You can even give it a little twist. So the Z is, and so the X is kind of flat. And you can use this end to make the arm. And you can cut off the excess. There you go. You just fold this one for the little wrist and palm. So with what's left over, thank you, Sam, you can fold it in to make the other hand. You just hang it on the shoulder there and make the other arm. Now we need the head. So we can cut off a piece of the chenille stick and roll it into a face shape like a circle and twist to make like a light bulb. And you can use this part to connect it to the body. Just fold it in. Now for the feet, we need two pieces. Or try to keep it equal. And then we hang that from the bottom. And there you have a Warli art figure made out of chenille sticks, a three-dimensional figure. Now you can make this three-dimensional figure dance. Bend him over. Oops. Just needs one more loop. You can bend the knees. What else can you do? You can make him dance.
Stilt.
And you can make him jump. It's a lot of fun stuff that you can do with your three-dimensional Warli art figure. So have fun exploring and see you next week where we explore a new art form called Gond art. See you then. Have fun.